My name is Elise, and today we're going to be drawing a magician's hat and a bunny. Let's get started. If you haven't already, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. First, you'll need a piece of paper, a Sharpie, and something to color with. As you can see, I already have all of the numbers of the colors I use listed right here, and if you want to get them, there's links down below to my Amazon affiliates market where you can buy anything that I use for my YouTube channel, including paper, Sharpies, and even these markers. So please help support the business and click the link down below to buy these markers. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to draw the hat. We're going to draw this upside down U shape with squared corners, just like this, and then we're going to also draw an oval shape, but we're going to stop here, and we're not going to connect it. Okay, now I'm going to draw a stripe right here, and now we're going to draw the bunny. We're going to draw a second line just like this, and we're going to draw a bunny's head popping right out of this. Now let's draw the two ears, just like this, and then the inside of the ear, just like that. Now let's draw the eyes. Draw two big eyes, and then draw a pupil in the top right corner, and then a smaller pupil in the bottom left corner. Now color this in. Now draw a little nose, and then two curved lines coming out of it, and now the whiskers. Also draw two ovals for the cheeks. Now we're going to draw a magician's wand. So we're going to draw a long rectangle, just like this, and then add a line here. We're going to color this in later. Finally, let's draw a card. Draw a wider rectangle, just like this, and then we're going to write stuff on that later. Now it's time to color. We're going to be using these colors, so follow along with me. First, we're going to color the hat. So now we're done with our magician's hat and bunny drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed creating more. See you next time. Bye!